Alrighty, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is having a lovely day. Today we are going to be taking the Subie to one of my mates' places to get a detail. So George from Royal Detailing Co in Wetherill Park is going to hook me up. As we all know, my car was at Bruce's house for a good year. It was sitting in the driveway in the rain, in the sun, in the wind. With no car cover, so it's seen better days. The wrap's pretty beat up at the moment, so George is gonna try revive it a little bit, try to get that colour to pop a bit more, but yeah, so the plan is we'll go downstairs, we'll get a few clips of the car before, see how filthy it is, we'll get a cold start video and whatnot, we'll head to George's place at Wetherill Park, and then I'll get a little clip, some clips of him detailing the car, and yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Man, it feels good to have it under my apartment, because then I can just come down and have a look. There's been so many times where I'll have to take the key on my daily and I'll just walk past this thing and admire it. It's been so long since it's been with me, but here's the state of the car. You can't really see it too well. We tried to give it a wash the other night when we went to the Club Notorious meet, and obviously I didn't have a wash mitt with me, so I couldn't give it a proper scrub, but it's you can just see there's stuff stuck to the wrap, so it definitely, oh yeah, you can see it there, it definitely needs some TLC, but let's give it a cold start, get a little sound clip, and yeah, we can head out. Never gets old. I actually miss driving this thing so much. It's a shame that last year I barely got to drive it at all. Towards the tail end of 2023 in December I got defected. It's my mistake. I stupidly did a right turn in a no right turn, and the cop pulled me over, and oh, my exhaust is making a funky sound. Yeah, I did a no right turn, cop pulled me over and then decided to defect me. And then he also EPA'd me, so a whole bunch of stuff needed to come off the car to get it cleared. And then once that all got done, I kind of just got turned off the car a little bit. And then I moved houses and I couldn't get it into the garage, so it stayed at Bruce's house. Shout out to Bruce for letting it sit in his driveway for a year. And yeah, we just barely drove it, just to a couple car things, which is a shame because I used to daily this thing. Back when it didn't have the bags and the wheels, it was still wrapped and whatnot, but it was on stock wheels, and I used to daily it for work, taking it to photo shoots left, right and centre to the city. So I really was driving this car so much, and then it just got no use whatsoever. But now that I've got it back, I definitely plan on like cleaning it up again, hence why I'm taking it to George to get a detail. But eventually I'd like to rewrap this thing in a different color, do some other stuff, maybe change the headlights, tail lights and whatnot. But yeah, definitely want to freshen it up, get it running smoothly, like mechanically and whatnot, and hopefully enjoy it for a little bit more before, who knows, maybe I get over this and sell it one day and move on to something else. But we'll see what happens. It's about a 20-minute drive to George's warehouse. Hopefully it's not too red hot. Wetherill Park isn't the best for cops. But yeah, big shout out to George from Royal Detailing Co. He's also got a G3 hatch, which it might be at the shop. I don't know, we'll see. But it's really nice. He just took the wrap off of his, and it's similar to this, bagged wheels, and it looks really nice. So maybe we can have a suss. He's got some headlights that I was looking at for a hot minute, but I'm torn on whether I want them for this car. I don't know if it's going to suit, so we can check it out when we get to his shop and see if I like them enough to chuck it on this car. Last week's video was something a little bit different. We're trying to mix in some non-car related stuff with obviously the car related stuff. Let us know what you guys think, whether we should keep doing them, if you guys have any other suggestions on like video ideas or challenges or anything that we could do. Like we said at the start of this year, the goal for this year is to pump out a video once every week, so we're definitely going to need some ideas on what to do, but I'm keen. This year should be a good year for us. That never gets old. I know there's a couple boys with RBs, this and that. You can't beat a Subie rumble. That's what got me into cars. My brother had one of these when I was like 16, and man, I fell in love with the sound. I don't care about having 700 horsepower or anything. As long as it sounds good and it looks good, that's all I care about. Literally never gets old. So good. Alrighty, I'm about to pull into George's place. Hopefully the entrance isn't bad, because I know some of these industrial warehouse places are pretty shit. So it might get a bit loud because I'm going to air up. I've learnt my lesson throughout the day. Even though I'm on airbags, there's times where I'm lazy and I won't air up for a driveway. And it's been a costly mistake, because I'm on my like third front lip, and carbon front lips are not cheap, let me tell you that. So yeah, don't be lazy, air up. Alright, where's George's shop? I don't even know if he's here yet. Maybe I'm here before him. That's alright, we'll give him a call. Alright, George said he's about 10 minutes away, so we're gonna check the car out in the daylight, because you can probably see the quality of the wrap. You know what, it doesn't look too shabby. It's good from far from good. But yeah, like, I think the roof is probably the worst part. Yeah. I'm keen to see what it looks like once it's done. Man, those tail lights need to go. They come with stock clears, but I'm just not a fan of how it looks. There's some nice aftermarket options that you can get. So I think what he's going to do, he'll probably explain it a bit better when he comes, but he'll polish the whole thing. I don't know if he can actually buff it, or it have to be like hand polished. And then he said he was going to do a ceramic coat. And then also coat the wheels as well, because it's been it's been a minute since they were coated as well, and honestly it helps so much with like maintaining it. But yeah, I'm keen. Should be good. He's made it.
Sorry, bro.
No, you're alright, bro. I don't have nothing else on anyway. There you go.
How are you?
Good. Yourself?
Pretty good, bro. What do you mean you got nothing else on?
No, I'm chilling today, bro. Yeah. Everyone, George, Royal Detailing Co. Let's open up. Let's get her inside. Wow. Yeah. But there's so much space in here, like you can fit like what, 5-6 cars?
7.
Yeah. You got a little subie in there. And that's his one that I was talking about before. We'll check that out later. Damn. Alright, what's the plan? What's the plan for the subie?
So what we're gonna do, just gonna wash it outside, wash the rims, clean the car, and then take it back inside and probably just buff the wrap.
Yeah.
Then coat the wrap after.
And you said it'll be alright with the hand, like the polisher, yeah. Doesn't need to be hand polished.
Just get rid of all these water spots there.
Bro, it's fucking. It was sitting outside for a year, rain, fucking everything, bro.
It's not worth it.
So yeah, what?
So
polish it,
coat it, and then the wrap will look brand new.
Yeah.
Probably coat the rims as well, make them look a bit fresh. Coat the windows too, get all the water spots off the windows.
Yeah. Obviously, like for those that don't know, coating, protection number 1.
Yeah.
But makes the color look a lot better.
Makes the color. It'll make this red pop heaps.
Yeah. And then maintenance-wise, it makes life so much easier.
Makes it heaps easier.
Yeah.
Heaps easier to wash and clean.
Has it got? It's got warranty or something, even, does it?
Depends on who you done it with, but they usually do. Some do lifetime warranty, some do 5 to 10 years.
Yeah, so definitely worth getting it done to your car. All right, George is going to start washing the car. I'm going to get some B-roll. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alrighty, I'm gonna let George do his thing. He's currently polishing the car inside. I hate when I've got someone looking over my shoulder 24/7, so I want to give him some space to do what he needs to do. He's currently polishing the car. It's gonna need a decent amount of work because the wrap's pretty damaged from the sun. So yeah, he'll finish polishing that today. I think he'll ceramic coat it tomorrow, and then it needs 2 days to cure. We've got some wet weather coming up as well, so don't really want to drive it in the wet weather straight away. So I'm going to come pick it up early next week. When I come back, we'll also have a look at his subie. He's got another car in front of it right now, so can't get a really good look at it. So yeah, we'll have a look at that when we come back. But I'm excited. I'm excited to see how it turns out after it's been polished and coated, because even like after a couple passes, it's already looking much better. But yeah, next clip you'll probably see will be me next week. See you then.
3 days later.
Alrighty, it's Monday. I got Big Bruce with me. He's gonna take me to drop me off to the car.
We're picking up the WRX today. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, it's been polished, it's been coated. We're gonna go check it out, run through, see how it's looking. And then we're also gonna check out George's car, like I said at the end of the last clip. I want to have a look at those headlights. But yeah, let's get it.
Comment, like, subscribe. We need to pay for his tail lights and headlights, people. Please, we're just here for another payday.
How are we, gentlemen?
Sorry, we're closed. We're closed for the day.
How we go?
Hello, brother.
How are you? How you going? How are you?
No, I said to you, let it go, he's taller.
Wow, bro, it looks way better.
Looks much nicer, doesn't it?
Yeah. It looks fresh. Yeah, that roof needs changing.
Bro, you just need to rewrap the roof.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much it, bro.
Nah, the rest of the car looks sick.
Yeah. Windows are coated, wraps coated. The spokes on the rims are coated.
Yep.
The chrome, I left that until you get them repolished.
Yeah.
If you get them repolished.
Yeah.
Interior clean, finally wipe down your front window. Looks like it hasn't been done in years. Otherwise, bro, car's good to go.
Nah, it looks sick, man.
Headlights are restored and coated too, so they shouldn't do that color ever again.
Yeah, cool. Cool. It looks clean as.
If you want, bro, you can install the lip. Just use the tools before you go.
We could. Andrew's a sick cunt. He dropped me off a brand new lip.
Or no, the old one.
Lip number.
Give it away.
Lip number like 4.
Number 4, yeah.
I think it's number 4.
Number 4, yeah.
Right. This is why I said you got to air up, otherwise it's costly. But big shout out to Andrew Motorsports for a new lip. Lifesaver. But that red was so much harder. Wow. Alright, let's get some footage of it. We're gonna get some photos for George and his business. But yeah, enjoy the clips. Color pops way harder.
Getting in and out of your car so easy.
What do you
You
mean?
might have to put the stock seats back in.
Oh, you got the other ones,
fucking
eh?
stupid bucket seats, bro.
Bro, even your car looks good.
Dirty butt.
The carbon looks gone. So they're those headlights that I was talking about. Who makes the headlights again?
The
Illumo?
Illuma, yeah.
Yeah. Illumo headlights. They're pretty good. The only problem is the daytime running light is just that C light, not the middle ones. I don't know if I like it. But the Co Plus ones, which has the C light and the indicator's also daytime running light, they're like $2,000. These are like half the price, so I don't know. Maybe we have to cop these. But this carbon, he had this previously in like an avocado wrap, which I've told him plenty of times I wasn't a fan of. But now that he's taken the wrap off and it's black, it looks so much better. The carbon fenders, the carbon bonnet. I think he's getting some new wheels. Hopefully they're silver, because black and silver is where it's at. But I like this. Looks sick, man. He's even got the carbon wing. That looks good. But yeah. Thoughts?
Carbon George. That's his name.
Carbon George.
So
Even
hard.
carbon door handles, bro.
But it's carbon. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Alrighty. Yeah, this looks good.
It looks like a brand new wrap.
Yeah, it looks
It
good.
actually looks brand new. He did a good job.
He saved the colour, eh? I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it. And then now that I got the front lip as well, it's coming back to life. It was rough before.
Look, he said he was happy. He's happy with it, but he can be happy when it's green. He'll be happy when it's green.
We'll see how long this thing stays red for. But it looks good for now. At least we can get some nice content of it. Yeah, I'm keen. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you to George for getting the car back to a very nice spot. I'm really happy with it. If anyone needs detail, make sure you check out George's page. We'll have it linked in the bio. But yeah, until next time, peace.